All right, welcome back. It's D back on another review for you guys. I got a 2025 Jeep Wrangler Willys in this nice black color. Check it out. So just got a big snowstorm, and I was like, let me grab a Jeep. Uh, and they got these 35-inch tires on it. So this thing is ripping in the snow. But yeah, so don't mind the snow. It's like perfect weather for a Jeep, ain't it? Check it out. This thing is nice. See the tread, pretty aggressive tread. Starting up front. I love how I love the Jeep Wrangler front end, to be honest. Got your DRLs and the turn signal on the corners, and then the halo lights, halo ring, I mean, projector LED. It's pretty nice. Fog lights down there. Pretty nice. Around to their tires. As I mentioned, these 35-inch tires. These are some Falcon, what are these? Wild Peak Falcon. Pretty nice. I believe the tire is 18 or maybe a 16-inch rim. 17. Can't read what that really say. I don't know. I can't read what that say, but I'll come back around to it. Here's the window sticker real quick. Get all your information. Got your 2-liter turbo. 8-speed trans. Pretty nice. Got your information. What are they? 280 LT 285 70R17C mud terrain tires. Those mud grabblers. 21 combined, 20 city, 22 highway. For a grand total of 52,000. Man, these Jeeps are expensive. I don't know. I think a 4xe goes about like 60. A Sahara. It's crazy, right? You already got your 5th tire back here. Also a Falcon. Pretty nice. Back here, this one does come with the weather mats. They don't install them until you buy it. You got your bolt holes for your doors and your windshield and your roof. A little bit of storage. This one does not have no sound system. It's all stock, so no subwoofer back here, whatever. You'll get a 12-volt though. Fold the seats down with the latches right there. I'll show that when we get up there. But this one's pretty basic, to be honest. So that. Oh, I love this though. You know, Jeep JL. Got your water line, everything. Wheelbase. Made in Toledo. Check it out right there. Like I said, this is a pretty not the top one. So you fold the seats down right here. Nice 60-40 split. Cloth seats. Got your window controls right there. No charging, nothing back here. Speakers right there. Pretty straightforward, to be honest. You get heated mirror, but you don't get the blind spot. Same door panel. Net pocket. No power seats. Everything is manual. The bar right there as well. There's the key. Nice Jeep key. There's a lock, unlock, and roll start. The panic button. Nice dual stage cubby compartment. A little USB in there. Go around to the driver's side. Like I said, this thing is a beast with these tires. Perfect weather. Trying to get that much snow in here. Check Check it out. I really don't even get in the back seat of this thing because it's just tight for a big guy. See, that's behind myself, and I probably wouldn't even fit or be comfortable. My knees would be all in the back seat. You know, same door panel, no power seats on the driver as well. It's all knobs and levers. Let's get up in this thing. Oh man, let me knock my feet off. Okay, so anything, you got a nice leather steering wheel, pretty nice white stitching, standard Jeep gauges. I really wish they do something different with this, but maybe in the future or so. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't even know, like cloth, like some jeans or something. Very nice. So I got a windshields. Really don't get a dashboard with these Wranglers. I know a lot of people put their ducks up there or whatever, but for me, I don't know. I'm not really a fan of it. But as you know, this right here controls the center portion of the screen. You got your vehicle information. See all your temps or whatever. Off-road, pitching your roll. Dr. Cruise control. Fuel economy. It's getting 16 so far. Me just whipping around. Not bad. Got your voice controls. You got cruise control, standard control, cruise control. I mean, pretty nice. Got your massive screen right here. I believe it's a 12.2 or 3 inch. I mean, there's the backup camera, no guidelines. There's your home page. Add your widgets. Right now, just radio and a phone. Shortcut menu for your heated seats, heated steering wheel. Driver can set different drivers. Got a shortcut menu right here. Probably your backup camera, Wi-Fi or whatever. Go back. Like I said, your widgets. Got your media, your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM radio, whatnot. Phone. Your vehicle. You got your off-road pages. I didn't notice with the Wrangler, this doesn't give you that red tint that most of the other ones do. Vehicle dynamics. You know, gauges right there. Basically everything that was in here, just, you know, more readable, I guess. And you got your Uconnect apps, categories and whatnot. Pretty straightforward, ain't it? Pretty nice. Nice little setup. It's pretty good. Coming down here, you got the physical button for your heated and heated seats and heated steering wheel. Driver and passenger got heated seats. Got your idle, stop, start, your traction control, and the hill descent. You can turn the screen off. Don't want to see anything. Nice 12 volt. Got an aux. I'm glad they still doing. Well, kind of surprised they're still doing aux. Got USB-C and normal USB. Window controls. Got your locker, your rear locker, whatnot. Off-road plus button. Got to shift to four-wheel drive for all that. Got your auxiliary buttons. You guys can see that. All pre-wired up. And you got your, 2 high, 4 high, 4 low. Old school, ain't it? That's the Wrangler thing. Pretty nice though. I haven't did one in so long. It's pretty nice in here though. I mean, for $50,000, I don't really. Like I said, I've seen anything get up to like 60. I'll give you guys a final walk around. This snow got me slipping and sliding. Look how she looks. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, these mud grabblers, man, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Just let me know what you guys think, man. This did catch you guys in the next one. Peace.